to your fans this evening.
Hello Universe and hello Globe! Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aming mga kandidato. Sana po hindi po kayo magsawa. We love you. I'm sure the girls feel your energy. I love you so much.
Thank you very much, Stacey Gabriel from Daida. Thank you. Sino ba? Who? Alright, since we have Daida, let's probably go to the south. May we have Miss Laguna. Where's Miss Laguna? Hello, Miss Laguna. I think you brought Laguna here in the house tonight. What's your message for them?
Thank you so much to all supporters of these lovely ladies beside me, and I hope, as Stacey said, di kayo magsawa because all of us, we already feel that we are all queens and we want to show you the best show. This coming May 2022.
Alright, thank you so much. Give it up for Miss Laguna. Alright, we'll have two more. Who? Ang hirap pala, no? Okay. Well, I can see here Miss Iloilo City, Alexi Brooks. Hello, Alexi. Well, Alexi, I have a very sweet question for you. How do you maintain that beautiful glow?
Well, good evening everyone. First off, I just make sure I think in positive thoughts all the time. And I think of all the people, my supporters that's out there cheering me every single day. What we're doing right now, all the girls, we're pretty exhausted, but we're giving our best not only to our fans, but to the country itself. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Iloilo City. And last one. Well, probably to invite us out for... What? Okay, mamaya magalit kayo sa akin pag hindi ko na-interview lahat, ha? Let's have someone to invite for the coronation night. Let's call in our Quezon Province, Atisa Manalo.
Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed the show tonight, and I am inviting everyone to watch in SMO Arena for the Grand Pageant night on May 22nd and the prelims night on May 18th. I hope you all support Miss Universe Philippines. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Quezon Province, Maria Atisa Manalo. Alright, so just a reminder to please